Hope everybody's doing well. I went shopping earlier, went to CVS, and before you start thinking the store is so expensive, I want to share with you a few deals that I got today. You will not believe how much I paid for the things that I got. First of all, what I do is before I go, I look on their app and I see right there where it says all. I stroll through to see if there's any coupons that I want to use, and if there is, you see where it's got the plus sign, I hit that, goes to my card, and I go through all the coupons. Sometimes I just hit stuff just in case I want it, because you never know once you see the ad. So I continue to stroll down, checking everything out. Here's one for paper towels. Scroll down some more. Makeup, never know. Toothbrush, $1, never know. So I continue to scroll down to see if there's anything else I might want. Another toothbrush, let me put that on there. I already put the razors on there. So as you can see, there's quite a few things they're offering right now. I'll click on CoverGirl too. Another CoverGirl. Now, make sure that when you're clicking these coupons, you pay attention. You see how this has an expiration date? Make sure you pay attention to that, because if you're going to go to the store to buy these items, use them before the expiration date. There's a few more coupons that I've already put on there. Pull-ups if you have kids. Claritin. Some people take Claritin for bad winds we've been having. They need it. Here's Tide. Let me click on there. Okay. Let me see what else. Anything else good on here? Benadryl. Benadryl's good. It's $1 off. Oral-B. There's quite a lot of coupons on here. Here's for razors. Now remember, you don't have to necessarily use the coupons, but it's nice just to go ahead and put them on the card just in case you might use them. Okay, so now we've put all the things on there that we might use. So then at the top, you see where it says on card. So we scroll down and we see what we've put on there already. And again, like I said, pay attention to the expiration dates. Okay, so while we're at the store, you see on the back of this, that right there, when you have your app open, see right here the little barcode, click that. So when you're there, you're going to scan this in case maybe you missed a coupon. There you go. Let's see what comes up. Nothing came up. Well, anyways, you get my point. Let's try something else here. Could be because I used it earlier. There's always something preventing me from doing something. I guess it's a shadow. Alright, let me try this. There you go. Now, what does it say? Woohoo, you got deals for that product. So, that's a good thing. So, I've already put them on the card. So, I just want to basically show you how the app works. So, while you're at the store, you can use your coupons that you have on your app. So, while you're there, also when you go to check out, save her on card. hit Saver on Card, and you're going to show this to the cashier, and they're going to scan it at the top. So I went earlier. I got Pantene. I got 3 bottles, 1 shampoo, 2 conditioner, 2 cans of Febreze. Well, actually, it's not really cans now they're plastic. But anyways, and 2 bags of Hershey's Kisses. So here's everything that I got. Bottle of shampoo, 2 bottles of conditioner, 2 bottles of Febreze, and 2 bags of Hershey's Kisses candy. And I purchased them at CVS. Here's the receipt, as you can see. There's the coupons that were applied. I used the digital coupons, and then I had 2 paper coupons also. And as you can see, my grand total was 88 cents. I think that's a fantastic deal. So couponing does work. You just have to have a little bit of patience. I think overall this morning and before I went to the store, I probably spent maybe 5 to 10 minutes max going through the coupons. So as you can see, here's my coupons right there that I got off. So really good deal. I want to show you one more time. Grand total 88 cents. Can you see that? Very nice. I'm very happy. 2 bottles of Febreze, 1 bottle of shampoo, 2 bottles of conditioner, and 2 bags of Hershey's Kisses candy. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please like the button. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos. And enjoy the rest of your day, people.